What is up, everybody? Welcome back to TeeDogCustoms and to another video. Alright guys, so I want to do a review on this at some point, but that's not what this purpose of this video is. This is strictly before and after of cleaning it. This is my new used old mower that I got off of Facebook Marketplace. 60 inch, I believe it's a 27 horsepower. It's got the Kohler Command V motor here, and this is not your typical like you know, home and garden Toro. This is the Z Master Commercial. So this is the top of the top. This is for commercial use, a lot of use. It cuts good. It's got a huge deck, 60 inches. So this is one that is definitely a very good mower. And let me tell you, I have mowed with it, and it is a beast. But I'll save that part for when I do the whole review of it. But what we're going to be doing, kind of servicing this thing, washing it, cleaning it. These are airless tires, so they do not have a spot to put air in them. I don't know if that's common with these Toro mowers or not. I don't know if that's an upgrade or not, but typically the zero turns I have used, you do have to put air in the front tires, but these ones aren't. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pull this over into the grass, get out the power washer, and we will power wash this, clean it up. The first thing I like to do though is I like to blow it off, get all the grass off of it. Right, so before I clean this off, I'm going to just kind of do a walk around of how it looks before. So there were a couple things though that when I bought this, I kind of had to deal with. So one of them was this grease circ right here. That was actually broken off. So I actually just used a little tap and tapped a new one in there, and it's working fine. So that was one thing. The bolt on the middle spindle was stripped, and so the blade was just spinning underneath. So what I did was I took off the washer and just screwed the screw in, and that was plenty. Also, another feature real quick is just this has one belt that runs the whole deck, from the deck all the way back to the drive. As you can see, that is new for me. All the other mowers that I have owned have been two separate belts. One belt runs the mow and deck pulleys, and then you have another belt that comes from the drive to power the belt. So I don't know if having one belt you get more power versus you're not having to transfer energy, should I say, from one pulley system to another. It's all being driven by one belt. So that may be an advantage, I don't know. But let's get into this. You guys see, eventually I probably will get some kind of Toro red paint and kind of touch up some spots like this. Maybe I'll do the whole deck, repaint it. Like I don't know at this point. It looks like, I don't know if bolts are supposed to go here, but if it is, yeah, looks like we're missing some bolts too. So might need to address that sooner than later, but let's go ahead and clean this up. We have this thing wrapped up as far as power washing goes and drying it off. But I did want to mention one thing. I noticed that right here there were 4 bolts missing, and this whole front arm was being held on by 1 bolt, and there was quite a gap right here. But we were able to tighten that. I had a whole bunch of bolts in the garage, able to find 4 and put them in. This side, you know, they were all in there perfect, but for whatever reason that one side only had 1. So I don't know, this mower has 1,800 hours on it, so I don't know if they'd replaced the engine before, but this thing is clean engine wise. So either they put a new motor in here, or they've just really taken care of like the motor side of things, but no oil leaks, nothing like that. But we have the finished cleaning, and let me tell you guys, it came out really good. I am going to find new Toro sticker, Z-Master commercial, and pop a new one on here just to like make it look a little newer, cleaner. But guys, this thing is a beast. Let's get in here, move this thing. Oops, have to put the, starts up like a champ. That is going to put a wrap on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And what we're going to do next is, and probably in the next video, I'm going to do a review on this mower and exactly go through all the points that I really like and stuff like that. So if you're interested in a review, subscribe and follow along, because in the next 1 or 2 videos I'm going to be doing that, and should be a good one. And this mower, just so you guys know, is a beast and I love it. I never thought much of Toro before, but now that I own one, it cuts immaculate. So thank you guys for watching. As always, keep grinding. Peace.